In today's presentation, I'm going to share with you 3 ways you can increase your business productivity. There are only so many hours in a day. This makes making the most of your time critical. There are only 2 ways that you can increase your output. Either put in more extended hours or learn how to work smarter. Being more productive doesn't take an advanced degree in psychology, but it does require you to be more deliberate in how you are managing your time. Here are 3 ways that you can increase your business productivity and get more done. Track how much time you're spending on tasks. While you may believe that you are good at gauging how much time you spend working on various tasks, research suggests that only 17% of people are able to estimate the passage of time accurately. If you want to be more productive, then you have to have a solid idea of how much time each task is taking. You can use a tool like Rescue Time to help you track exactly how much time you are spending on daily tasks, including email, word processing, social media, and apps. Follow the 2-minute rule. To make the most of small windows of time that you have during your day, try implementing the 2-minute rule. The idea behind the 2-minute rule is that if you see a task that you know can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it right away. Completing these types of functions immediately takes less time than having to go back to it later. So utilize your short windows at work with the 2-minute rule and watch your productivity increase tenfold. Be proactive, not reactive. When you allow incoming emails and calls to dictate how to spend your day, you'll end up getting great at putting out fires, but it might be the only thing that you accomplish all day. Determine a time during your day when you can spend time responding to emails, but don't let it determine what kind of day you're going to have. If you want to increase your productivity, you need to have a plan of attack at the beginning of each day, and then do your best to stick with that plan. If you feel like you need to increase your productivity, it's best to resist the temptation to put in more extended hours. Instead, take a step back and consider how you can work smarter to accomplish your tasks in less time.